Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a box opening and a first look for me at a watch from Spinnaker. As you can see, it kind of got open. This one got shipped to my work and one of the guys opened it up before I got to do the video, but it's still a box opening. I didn't open it the rest of the way. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and see that I am still wearing my Stratton Legera bullhead. Man, since I did the box opening on this one, I have not taken it off my wrist. I really, really love this one. Also, guys, if you are looking for watches, I've got promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast in the video notes below. Click through, save yourself some money. This Spinnaker is one I actually bought off of their Black Friday sale. Black Friday, you say? Well, it's not Black Friday yet. It's still early, and I'm hoping I can post this up soon enough for you guys to get some deals. Now, the Watchin promo code won't save you money on any of the closeouts like this one was. This one was on their site normally at $199. And it was close out for $99. And like I said, there is a bunch on sale right now. So make sure you check out their Black Friday sale if you're looking for a watch for yourself. I mean, this is one of the better times of year to get yourself some pretty crazy deals. Pull the plastic off the bezel there. Pretty cool. I actually like the rubber strap on this one. It's really nice and soft. So let's take a look here. Get you the exact model number, which I know there are some of these left. This is the SP-5005-018, and it is part of the Helium Series. So it does have a helium release valve, escape valve over here at the 10 o'clock. This one is a Quartz Movement. I think all of the Spinnakers I've gotten up until this one were automatics. So, you know, this one's a little bit more on their affordable side. I actually think most of the Spinnakers are pretty affordable. I just really liked that color combo and that anodized looking blue bezel. It is, you know, a unidirectional bezel. But I'll do my usual, go through, wear it, and give you guys a little bit of a follow-up update on what I think of this one. We'll go ahead and throw it on wrist. This one is considered by them to be a little bit larger, which it is on the larger side for me. Seems like I've been floating more in the 42 millimeter range, and this one is a 46. All right. So, like I said, really love that rubber strap. Nice and comfortable. We got Spinnaker on the buckle. We've got their logo on the crown. Nice brushed case. And I dig that look. You know, for a 46 millimeter, it doesn't feel super gigantic on me. So overall, I'm digging this one so far. Like I said, it was on closeout from them for $99. And there's a lot of stuff on their Black Friday sale. So let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below, and make sure you click through one of my links and save yourself some money. Check out the Black Friday sale. As always, guys, thanks for watching.